Reports in the Polish media indicate that talks are underway between Ukraine and Poland regarding the potential transfer of Kongsberg Naval Strike Missiles (NSM) from Polish stocks. This transfer would provide Ukraine with a significant coastal defense capability, enabling them to target naval and land-based threats. According to a report on the Defense24.pl website, negotiations between the two countries have reached an advanced stage. It's suggested that the European Union funds could potentially be utilized to secure the transfer, allowing Poland to replenish its NSM units. This is a significant development. In this video, Defense Updates reports on the possible transfer of Naval Strike Missile from Poland to Ukraine. Let's get into the details. The NSM is the upgrade of Kongsberg's Penguin short to medium range anti-ship guided missile. The state-of-the-art design and use of composite materials are meant to give the missile sophisticated stealth capabilities. The missile will weigh slightly more than 400 kilograms or 880 pounds and have a range of more than 185 kilometers or 100 nautical miles. The NSM is designed for littoral waters, brown water, as well as for open sea, green and blue water scenarios. The usage of a high-strength titanium alloy blast fragmentation warhead from TDW is in line with the modern lightweight design and features high destructive power. Warhead initiation is by a void-sensing, programmable intelligent multi-purpose fuse designed to optimize effect against hard targets. Like its Penguin predecessor, NSM is able to fly over and around land masses, travel in sea skim mode, and then make random maneuvers in the terminal phase, making it harder to stop by enemy countermeasures. The target selection technology provides NSM with a capacity for independent detection, recognition, and discrimination of targets at sea or on the coast. This is possible by the combination of an imaging infrared (IIR) seeker and an onboard target database. NSM is able to navigate by GPS, inertial, and terrain reference systems. Since it gives no radio frequency warning, it cannot be spoofed using RF jamming tactics. After being launched into the air by a solid rocket booster, which is jettisoned upon burning out, the missile is propelled to its target at high subsonic speed by a turbojet sustainer engine, leaving the 125 kilogram or 275 pounds multi-purpose blast fragmentation warhead to do its work, which in case of a ship target means impacting the ship at or near the waterline. An NSM system comprises two batteries. A battery consists of 3 missile launch vehicles, 1 battery command vehicle, 3 combat command vehicles, 1 mobile communication center, 1 mobile radar vehicle with TRS-15C radar, 1 transport and loading vehicle, and 1 mobile workshop vehicle. Each missile launch vehicle carries 4 missiles and can be connected to the combat command vehicle by optical fiber or radio up to 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles away. Up to 6 launchers with 24 missiles can be netted together at once. When installed on ships, NSMs can be deck-mounted in packs of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6 launchers. The Polish Navy currently operates 2 complete NSM systems within its coastal missile squadron. Poland was the first NSM operator to deploy a coastal defense variant. The U.S. Marine Corps, Romania, and Latvia subsequently decided to acquire the same. The U.S. Navy and Norway have ship-launched variant of NSM missiles in their warships. Ukraine still has very limited weapons to hit Russian assets from standoff distances. Recently, it received the Storm Shadow missile, and there are talks underway for transferring Scalp NG. NSM has a very high hit probability, and hence, if the missile is received, Russian command posts, logistical facilities, ammunition depots, and other high-value targets that were outside of HIMARS range will no longer be invulnerable. This will likely complicate Russian operations in Ukraine. It would also pose a major threat to the Russian Black Sea Fleet. As witnessed by the failure of Moskva in intercepting Neptune missiles, Russian shipborne sensors and air defense systems are not up to the mark. A single hit from an NSM is enough to cripple a large warship. Technically, 15 to 20 NSMs could devastate the Russian Black Sea Fleet. It's not hard to see that if Ukraine gets NSM, Russia will have a lot to worry about.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.